Hello there! The miniOrange SAML SSO and SCIM Provisioning app are now one powerful package. With one license, you can now access the functionalities of both apps. Watch the video to see the sleek new UI in action. After completing the installation process and clicking on Configure, you'll be redirected to the app's landing page, which looks like this in the old UI. Let's take a look at the landing page in the updated UI. You'll notice a new SCIM app section added just below the configured SAML IdP section. Moving on, the configured IdP section, along with its related settings and functions, was previously located on the left-hand side as highlighted. To access this section now in the new layout, click the Edit button for the corresponding IdP. You'll notice that the section now appears at the top, while everything else remains unchanged. Previously, all SSO settings appeared directly beneath the configured IdP section. Now they are grouped under the SSO Settings collapsible tab on the left side of the landing page, as shown in the highlighted area on the screen. Earlier, the Certificates tab was placed right below the SSO Settings section, which has now been shifted into the SSO Settings tab. In the earlier layout, the area below the Certificates tab housed all support and knowledge-based resources. Now in the new layout, these are now located under the Tools and Support collapsible tab on the left side of the landing page. In the earlier interface, Header Authentication was positioned in the top left section and is now available within the SSO Settings tab. We've also added LDAP sync support in the new plugin visible on the left side of the landing page. For full setup steps or assistance with configuring the plugin and its features, please check out our updated guide. Thank you.